You can now create hyper-realistic AI characters for your projects in just one click. Let me show you how. Head over to rendernet.ai, click on Create New, and here you can upload a face for your character. Crop the face and click Next. Design your character and give them a name. Let's call this one Maya. And just like that, Maya is ready. Now, using the prompt generator, you can fully customize Maya's look. Change the age, adjust body type, hair type, style, and more to match your vision. The best part? You can generate hundreds of images and videos of Maya in seconds. Imagine Maya posing for a Burger King ad, or you can say, Maya staring in a perfume campaign, and boom, she looks so real. You'd never guess she's AI. It gets even better. You can make Maya talk. Click on narrator and simply upload a video. To swap a face with the video, upload Maya's face and paste your script here. You can choose a voice from the variety of options and hit generate. RenderNet will create lip-synced videos with lifelike expressions.
Awaken desire, ignite passion. Find yourself in our perfume.
Brands and creators everywhere are using RenderNet to generate stunning and authentic content to promote their campaigns. Don't be left out. If you want to try it out and create your own character, just comment render and I'll share the link.